Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Domino here. Okay. There's so much going on through my mind though. When my mama birthday came, the day before my mama birthday, I snapped on my best friend. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I snapped on her and her boyfriend. Let me tell y'all, folks, what's really bothering me. You know what I'm saying? I mean, this been bothering me for a whole year since January of 2021. You know what I'm saying? Cause let me tell you this though, y'all ready? All right. But I also know that that this person gonna be watching, but I ain't gonna mention his name yet. But I ain't even want to mention his name. But the way things are going right now, in a bad situation like this, I have to say what I have to say. Okay. Why have I been being rude? Okay. Not to other people, I don't be rude to people that never done me none, But I went to Chase Bank, I went to Church's Chicken, I went to a gas station in Metairie, and I went to Plus One Gaming, and I wasn't rude to none of those people. I was having a bad day. I was exhausted. I was frustrated. I was upset and everything. And then I caught the bus, and I ain't took it out on none of them people. Why? Because them people didn't do me nothing, and I didn't, and not only that though, I didn't sense that they was gonna do me something. The only way I would curse somebody out is if they done me something, or if they gonna do me something, or I can feel they gonna do me something. That's the only way. Cause you know what? What's happening is this: the day before my mom's birthday, around this time last year, Shamika was being mean to me. You know what I'm saying? All right, so she was being completely mean to me and stuff like that. I didn't know what the hell was going on. I placed the blame on her boyfriend. You know what I'm saying? I hate his guts. You know what I'm saying? I really hate his guts. You know, I mean, I'm not gonna come on my platform and bash my friend. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna talk bad about her. You know what I'm saying? Because normally the Domino 7 show is supposed to be about positivity, not about no negativity. You know what I'm saying? Not about no negativity, okay? And I'm not gonna talk about her like a dog on my show. You know what I'm saying? Like some people would hope that I would talk about her like a dog, which I would never do, okay? Cause she my best friend. The thing is, let me tell y'all what was going on. He been harassing me, antagonizing me, intimidating me. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So anyway, I knew all this was gonna go on. That's why I stayed clear of him. You know what I'm saying? That's why I stood clear of him. You know what I'm saying? What upset me the most, I didn't know he was there. I seen her and her best friend on the balcony. You know what I'm saying? And then they offered me a piece of chicken. I don't know who bought that chicken. You know what I'm saying? If it's involving him, I don't want none. They was making some bombers like cheese bombers like from Church's Chicken or whatever. But I'm like, you know them that stuff with the cheese filling and jalapenos and all that. They want to offer me some of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, no, I don't want none. Anything involving that guy. Cause let me tell you something. I want to let y'all know something. That dude act like he like me. Let me tell y'all something. That dude don't like me. He don't like me. Deep down inside him, he can't stand me. He cannot stand Domino. Okay? I mean, I didn't want to. I mean, I love everybody. You know what I'm saying? I really do. I love everybody. You feel me? Okay? I love everybody and I care about everybody. But the only thing I don't care about is a demonist person. You know? Just like this girl Gabby, I hate to say where she used to work at, but I'm gonna say it anyway. She used to work at the Family Dollar on Broad and Canal, and she used to work at the Dollar General on Broad and Bienville. Okay, talking about the same demon or whatever. Damn, her stupid ass husband is a demon too. Don't want her to have friends and don't want them to hold conversations. That's that's why sometimes that's why I'm against relationships. You know what I'm saying? Because men these days, not me, not my cousin, not a good man. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about the men that try to control a women. You know what I'm saying? They don't want they do not want the their girlfriends or wives or whatever to be friends with another man or something like that, even though they known them for half their lives. You know what I'm saying? But you know what? I don't break nobody up. You know what I'm saying? Because like I say, ignorance, I can sense ignorance. You know, I mean, especially my own brother. You know what I'm saying? Me and my oldest brother do not get along. Me and him do not get along because he tried to punk me. And you know what? He's my very first bully. You know what I'm saying? He's my very first bully. Out of all the bullies I had in my life on the streets or in school, that's my very first bully. Brandon, my oldest brother, my own brother, he was my very first bully. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. And my last bully is this guy named Lee. He been picking on me since day one. You know, act like he cool with me and all that. Let me tell you something. He don't like me, y'all. He really can't stand me. I can tell when somebody can't stand me. You know, I can tell. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm not stupid. People gonna defend him and say he cool. He likes you. No, they don't. Hell no. I'm not falling for it. I'm not stupid. You know what I'm saying? Mama didn't raise a fool. You feel me? I'm gonna say this one more time. Mama didn't raise a fool. Okay? And I know my mom is proud of me from heaven, you know? Cause my mama told me people gonna act like they're your friend, they gonna do this and do that, and then they'll talk about you behind your back. You know what I'm saying? That's all to it, you know. I sure hate to be like that though. I really do. You know, I love everybody. I really do. Okay, but for this guy to just come at me and stuff like that, you know. All right, next time I'm going. You know what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this phone out, you know, and if I see him on that balcony and he tells me anything, I'm gonna record his face, you know, to show y'all what he looks like. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you what that fool looks like, you know, because let me tell you, he don't like me. He really don't, honestly, because I can tell when somebody don't like me, you know. I tell y'all one thing. You got to be careful who you let in your life. You know what I'm saying? People is not nice. Everybody's not nice. You know what I'm saying? There's some people that's evil, some people that's cruel, that they'll stab you in the back. Your so-called friends, you know, they even have friends from your past that'll do you wrong too. You know, it's in a matter of time. Okay, remember this. It's in a matter of time when somebody will do you wrong. You know what I'm saying? It's in a matter of time. Remember, folks, it's in a matter of time. Okay? Because like I said, that's my best friend. I would never talk bad about her. But if I did talk about her like that, it was out of anger. You know, I say stuff out of anger. Just like I went off on her on anger, out of anger. But I went off on that guy for a reason because I mean I can feel when somebody trying to play me sometime, you know. Okay, but yeah, I do want my best friend to be happy though. You know, I want to be happy for her, but when it comes to somebody that's ignorant and evil and conniving and stuff like that, you know, it's just hard to accept that. You know, I'm like he been picking on me since day one. You know, he been targeting me because he know I'm an easy target. You know what I'm saying? But honestly, I'm not going to jail for this guy. You know, I'm really not. Cause you know what I'm gonna do? I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stay out of his way. But before I go anywhere, I'm gonna I'm gonna look outside to see if he on that balcony, or should I go out there just in case he tell me something, and then I record his face and put it all on YouTube on all the platforms. It looks like he's being nice, but let me tell y'all something. I'm not stupid, y'all. I am not stupid. I may be autistic. I take medicine for everything to calm my nerves because I'm on disability and stuff like that. I may be autistic and all that, but I'm not stupid, bro. I am not stupid. I can't work and all that, but I'm not stupid. I am not stupid. Okay? People think I'm stupid, but I'm not stupid. You hear me? I'm not stupid. I'm not gullible. But guess what? If I get involved with a woman and she evil, that'll make me gullible. Cause people these days, a man and a woman is too much in love to see the evil in a person. A woman sometimes is too much in love to see the evil in a man. You know what I'm saying? How I know? I experienced it. I saw my mama fall in love with a man just that fast with a snap of a finger. You know what I'm saying? I experienced stuff like this before, from my auntie's boyfriend from back in the day. I experienced that. That was my first experience with something like that. Mm-hmm. So so my word is this though. I mean, I'm not gonna talk about the guy because I think he deceased. So we gonna leave that alone. And this man here that my mama got married to, you know, I mean, I knew all along because how he was, he was some kind of preacher, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, he was somewhat of a preacher, but let me tell y'all something, a hypocrite at that. Okay. Mm-hmm. I really hated that man. Mm-hmm. So much to deal with. I'm like, be mean to Domino, all because of somebody like that. But guess what? She wasn't being fair. I'm not talking about my mom though. My mom was being fair. My mama loved me. Look at all what she bought me. Okay, so bought me the Nintendo, Sega Genesis, a bubblegum machine and everything. Bought me everything. Not just me. My twin brother Brock, my oldest brother Brandon, and he was never appreciative. You know what I'm saying? He was never appreciative. Hmm. So I mean, my friend gonna defend him and say he trying to be your friend. No, I don't want to be his friend. This is a remake. This is a remake of Nyla getting on me over this guy named Will. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I was trying to film Will with my camera, but Nyla told me to delete it. Thank God I did, cause I didn't want to see his face. You know. So the thing is though, he was threatening me and everything, talking about that's his woman and all that. For the life of me, it's like Nyla was trying to date Will. Hmm. So he upset at me. It caused me to get mad at Nyla. So I walked away and all that, and she put her hand on me, and then she grabbed me and I snatched away, and I kept walking. I turned around. She started to cry. You know, yeah, you know, yeah, you know, cause I'm not I'm not a stool pigeon. All right. So like I said, Shamika, we like brother and sister, and that guy trying to stop that, How I know? Cause I can tell, Cause I'm not stupid. Cause I experienced stuff like this before, you know. All right. So putting this on to let her know that there ain't no hard feelings between me and her, you know. I I know I shouldn't have never yelled at that guy. I shouldn't have never been rude. But what am I supposed to do when somebody screwing me over? What am I supposed to do? You know, when you feel like somebody's picking on you or whatever, what am I supposed to do? I mean, oh, he's just trying to speak. Let me tell you something. I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid, y'all. I'm telling you, I'm not stupid. You hear me? I am not stupid, y'all. I am not stupid. You hear me? This video don't have a title, so I'm not gonna title this video. Okay, it's just gonna be a video. That's all. Okay. So me talking to y'all and everything, you know. But it's just that I'm not stupid, you know, and I'm not, and I guarantee you, I'm not gonna try to break them up because that's illegal in life. You cannot break a couple up because that's illegal. Okay, that is very much illegal. You know how illegal it is. I don't know if it's illegal by law, you know, but it's illegal. Okay. Mm-hmm. So like I say, that's my best friend though. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, if I didn't care about her, or if I hated her guts, I wouldn't be on this platform right now saying what the hell I'm saying. If I didn't care about her, I wouldn't be buying her none for Mother's Day, for her birthday, and for Valentine's Day and everything. Cause let me tell y'all something. I do all that to be nice, not to make somebody. Cause let me tell y'all something. Gifts do not make a woman like you. Okay, gifts is just gifts. You know what I'm saying? I I give my other best friend Brittany gifts too, and she have a man and she's engaged. Brittany is engaged. You know what I'm saying? Y'all never seen Brittany on my show before, but I hope one day Brittany and her husband Danny could be on the show. You know, Danny is a good guy. I haven't met him, but I know he's a good guy. You hear me? Do y'all hear what I'm saying? I guarantee y'all he a good man because they wouldn't have stuck together all this time. They've been together for years and everything, and they have a baby together. Let me see, a 3-year-old baby girl. You know, yeah. Uh, uh, I don't even know if Brittany want me to mention her her child name, but we gonna skip that. You know, okay. I gave Erica something for Valentine's Day. You know, y'all gonna eventually find out who Erica is. You know, okay. But as far as my best friend Shamika goes, she my best friend. Cause like I say, the relationship we in is a brother sister relationship. You know, that's what I want, a brother sister relationship with her. You know, me and her together do not make sense. You know, he'll make me even more madder if he say I can have her. No, I can't have her. She's only my friend. She's my sister. We not blood related. You know, we are not blood related. You know what I'm saying? So I wasn't happy for my mama when she found somebody. That was last long time ago in 1999. And before I forget, my mama had a man that I ain't that I wasn't fond of either. You know, but Lord forgive me, he passed away in 2002. But unfortunately, I didn't want to be bothered with him. You know, I really didn't. You know, I'm sorry. It was for a good reason. I pretend I ain't know who he was, but I ain't. But I ain't won't be bothered with him. I'm sorry. You know, and that was for a reason. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm very sorry from the bottom of my heart. You know, because when you're experiencing trauma and stuff like that, and you think something ain't right, you know, how you expect to act? What you expect to do? I don't know. You know. So that's all I'm gonna say right now. All right. So thank y'all for watching. All right. So like I said, if one more thing I want to tell y'all. My best friend children be watching my shows and my gameplays and stuff like that. Well, that's my friend Dwayne. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Okay. Bye bye.